Bismillahi awwalahu wa akhirah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is being recorded over my cell phone's video. Yani कि I'm not logging into Facebook Live to record a video because so much huge problems are coming out. So I just thought let my most humble self check this mode today. So what is happening? I am doing the same pattern when it will be uploaded to my Facebook wall, inshallah, as a niyat, as an intention being there. So it has to be evaluated. Okay, what is the difference between this and Facebook Live? Because the problems with Facebook live streaming have come out that there are some parallel logins. It has come out evidentially between Zoom today that I tried. It will be explained, and between Facebook that I've been trying. Now, Zoom and Facebook apparently are two disconnected entities. People working inside to do wrong things regarding Facebook and to do wrong things regarding Zoom, that is the wrong domain. We have to look at the surface operation. So, on the surface, they are two separate, distinct entities. And I have been using Zoom as well, independent of Facebook, and I have been using Facebook independent of Zoom. And I have been benefiting from both. And I thought that people can also benefit from both. But apparently, some problems are coming out in terms of their interlinkages. So that will be looked into later. Abhi, this has to be told that before starting to record this video, the battery was enough, something like at 53%. So that should go on for a lot of hours, ghante, not instantly drained out to stop the video, which has happened on record a number of times before. ठीक है. Then the space in the phone was showing as 1.6 GB, although it should be a lot more, but they have somehow managed to constrain it down to 1.6 GB. So this video cannot be 1.6 GB. ठीक है. So whatever the size is, it will show. अच्छा, whatever intrusions यानी कि forceful they do forceful things ना, ठीक है. Those of you who don't know how they do it, well then you don't know about it. So you cannot say that that is not how it is. That's you, either you don't want to learn or you don't have the capacity to learn. यानी कि one thing is you want to learn, but then it is entirely possible you don't have the capacity to learn. So that's part of the capacity building. ठीक है. But where you say that no, it is not altogether possible, that is where you will get what you deserve. यानी कि hell abuse. So watch it. अच्छा, अब this is my most humble self documented as Faiza Nadeem and my birth name Zai-nab. So 13th June 2025, 3:24 p.m. PST approximately, and the signature where my most humble self confirms that I'm presently working at. ठीक है जी. अब what is the matter? कि last night, let's start, although many other things are there, but I have to do this from last night. अच्छा जी, एक second. Let's just start from and see from how much can we cover from last night. Sharp laser beams, though it was part of it later na, ye wala. So hold on, they have done hell edits. अच्छा जी, यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. अब I'm going to play this in front of you. ये click करो. ठीक है. अब सबसे पहले ना you have to focus here. You have to look at this timer 0:14 and you have to look at this timer 26:20. सबसे पहली बात. And then you have to understand this. It is very easy. You can manage to do it to check what is being said. I am going to play this video from 0. सबसे पहली बात है because सबसे पहली बात है means first of all, I am recording the video na, so I know what words have I said in the beginning. How is it possible that just a few, यानी कि 26 minutes after approximately recording this video, when it's released over, यानी uploaded over Facebook, so those words are not there, which I have said. So what is this one major part? They are removing other things as well. Lasers. The lasers domain, they are specifically removing the words linked with that domain especially. ये blur करें. Don't do that. अच्छा. अब याद रखना, अब ये कौन ब्लर कर रहे हैं? There are, for this laptop, there are parallel logins which are running across the globe. You not knowing about it is your complete failure. And this cell phone that I'm moving right now, laptop is not moving, cell phone is moving, ठीक है, from which this video is being recorded. This has parallel logins as well, confirmed. Do you know, if I'm using my laptop and a cell phone in parallel, which is right now from my cell phone, I am focusing onto my laptop. So do you know how many logins will be running in parallel? It will be a plus, cumulative, maths addition sign, mathematics plus sign. Yani if there are 10 logins for this laptop where the cursor is moving, parallel logins, invisible logins are being talked about. And if there are 10 logins for my phone, so do you know how many logins are there? 20. How many people are interfering between this one video? 20. Hope this is clear. You have to understand. If there are 10, because why am I saying 10? Because today when I logged in from Zoom to check, it will be explained during the Zoom part, but I'm just giving you a hint for those of, अच्छा ये confirm हो चुका है. This is fully confirmed. What they're showing to many people across the globe is not what I'm doing on my screen. ये confirmed है. I'm not doing that on my screen at that moment, what they're showing to you. Be it my phone, be it my computer, laptop. Please write this down for yourself as a confirmation. And am I saying this under a quick mode of accusation? Not at all. I have evaluated it carefully to compare with what I was saying way back. Way back का मतलब है far before the hospital terror attack as well. And it has come out evidentially today, all the most, while I was saying the same thing in different forms during the previous months as well, previous weeks as well. मतलब time and again the same matter, na? But evidence being there, like visual evidence from screenshots and all, that is what I have gotten today. Alhamdulillah. Acha. So we will go to that gradually as and when we get there. So we have to start from last night, although from before this point, this is a reference point from last night. There are matters which are from pending from before that as well. But some point we have to start from. Too much piling up is there. Achha, now when I'm going to play this button, don't blur it. People will still be able to see it because they know over here it's the 0 part and over here it's the 26 part. You blurring it, they will still make sense out of it, inshallah. Don't do it. Don't do this. It's not worth it. ठीक है, you 20 people, it will now be said 20 people. 10 for the laptop, parallel logins, and 10 for the phone, parallel logins. ठीक है, if you are supposedly 15, so you are still being referred to as an approximation. अच्छा. Now don't do that. How many times do I have to tell you? You are very jahil people. There is no doubt about it. But we are not interested in, honestly speaking, addressing you all the time. मतलब you look at your level कि you are doing the lasers through the invisible domain and you are maintaining your presence inside the house through invisible domains, yet visible, yet evident through your actions. And this is all. अब you have termed this as intelligent systems across the globe. And this is what you say घुस के मारेंगे. तो वो तुम्हारा सारा साबित हो गया है कि तुम नॉन मुस्लिम्स हो, तुम इस्लाम दुश्मन हो, तुम दज्जाल ब्लॉक हो. अच्छा, अब आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले दिस, ठीक है. और याद रखना, ये साबित हो गया है कि द पीपल हु आर टेक्निकली क्वालिफाइड अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, यानी कि इंक्लूडिंग PhDs, मास्टर्स, अंडर ग्रेजुएट एज वेल और नॉट अंडर ग्रेजुएट, दे आर ऑल डूइंग दिस. Somebody with some less qualification is technically not going to be able to do all this. This is all coming from the universities. ये confirmed है. यानी कि highly educated people who have stamped certifications and degrees are doing this. And some of them are sitting in the very highly paid organizations as well. यानी कि they are confirmed employees on the payroll there. ये मैं confirm कर रही हूँ, ठीक है. evidentially साबित हो रहा है ना, the function is confirming that. अच्छा, तो do you know which, as you call it, class system, you non-Muslims, so which class is this? This is your uppermost elite class doing this. ये confirmation है. Uppermost elite class is doing this. अच्छा. तो गरीब is the poor ones are compromised in other ways, and the richest ones are doing this. This is fun business for them. If I have interruptions, so we will interrupt in between. याद रखना, my voice has to be super loudest because I'm right next to the cell phone. If there is a dot of suppression in the voice, because I'm super duper uber loud. If there is any level, even 10% of voice reduction, so all I have to do is type out, KG, they have suppressed the voice quality in the video, which is being recorded over my cell phone. Because here the laptop Windows is not involved. The cell phone parallel logins are involved. And they have been doing it in the past. So I'm just going to stop this video. It's 11 minutes. Release it over, upload it over Facebook to check how is it going. Because my voice has to be super loud. ठीक है इंशाल्लाह.